Hello Libra, welcome to my channel. This is Lady of the Throne and I am here with your love guidance, and this is from July 16th to the 31st. Libra, we're going to be getting into what's going on in your love life during this specific time frame. So if you are new to the channel, I hope that you like and resonate with this. Also, please keep in mind that these messages are going to be playing out during this time frame. So always give the messages until the end of the time frame to resonate with you. And for some of you, it may or may not resonate with you. So keep that in mind too. But if it just so happens to resonate, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Libra, we're going to be talking about two things today: how you and your person see each other and how they see you and how they feel. We're also going to be going deeper with this. So if you want to find out what is hidden beneath the surface, the truth of the matter, and how to keep this thing going, I do recommend getting the extended version of this. The extended is going to be down below in the description box if you all are interested. So Libra, let's go ahead and get started. What's going on, how you feel about this person. So it looks like some of you could be getting over something with this person, working past something. It feels like your mind is already 10 steps ahead while your heart is still sitting in some emotional residue that you've been dealing with this person for a little while now. And it's like mentally you're past it. You don't want to keep revisiting the same energy, and you don't want to keep feeling the same ways that you felt toward this connection or toward this person. Your mind is more focused on, okay, what's the next thing now? I want to get past this. But there's something, it feels like an in-between moment. In between, it feels like you're in between a place with this person where on one side the grass is greener, and you are aware that it is, and you know that things could improve, but in the current state it's like you're walking out of the door from like all the negativity that you guys experienced before. And it doesn't seem like it was heavy negativity. It just seemed like things were a little weird with you and this person you're interested in. But this energy right here is like you wanting to leave it behind. I think that you're focused more on working on the connection and smoothing things over at this time, as you realize more and more how things can change almost like overnight with this person. So maybe you and this person are realizing that you're night and day, where, you know, maybe this person maybe they are a bit different from you. Maybe they do handle things a little bit different from you. Maybe they do take a different approach to the connection, and now you're starting to notice more differences. But I am getting that these differences in views or opinions and how this really can start to affect the connection overall. I think that you guys are noticing that. But I don't feel that your focus is to stop and talk about things over and over. I think for you, you would rather work on things internally. Like you may be changing things about you. You may be trying to change things without this person's opinion about it. Maybe you're just like, you know what, it's not working to talk to them about things that need to change. I'm just going to make the changes myself. I'm just going to do it. So you could have that mindset toward this person. Right now, I think you're doing this because overall you are seeking a better flow with this connection. You just want things to flow together. And you could be focused on integrating new ideas and working together with them, right? You're open for that. You want to do that, but sometimes you have to just do it yourself, because maybe you're dealing with a person who literally sees things in a totally different way sometimes. Okay, so that's what I'm getting here. Interesting. Your person of interest and how they feel. This person could be in a celebratory energy, or if not, then they could be a person who's receiving good news, or possibly maybe they just have a lot of confidence right now, or they feel good about themselves. I don't know, something is positive coming through. So they could be receiving high honor and praise surrounding work or their life accomplishments, whatever it is that they do. Or maybe they just feel good. But this person is reaching some type of milestones. They could have made a big purchase that they've been wanting to make. Like whatever it is, they're doing something that puts a smile on their face, even if it's temporarily. So there could be an accomplishment for this person. But overall, I think the big picture for them is the big picture. Focus on longevity and long term within the connection, and also within their finances and how they want their future to be set up. So there's a lot of future planning possibly with this person. They could be making some changes along the way. This person could also be working a lot right now. They could be working hard on a project or working hard on this connection possibly. They may be working on things on the back end, behind the scenes. Maybe they're working on the connection and you may not see it, but they could be doing things to help the connection move forward. They are wanting more you and less of other things, I feel. So their focus is on putting in whatever they need to put in to make you guys have a more successful outcome, but they also focus on you more because of this, okay? How do you see this person? Some of you see them as your twin flame or your twin soul. This is a person where there is definitely a romantic spark with you and this person. You may feel that this is your twin soul, or you may see them as your twin soul. You may have found out what that means, and maybe you are associating that with them for some of you, or you just feel like that, okay? But whatever it is, even if it's not that, this could also be a fire sign that you're dealing with, an Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius, who you like, who you love, or who you're interested in being with. Could be a fire sign or have strong fire in their chart. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, 6th or 7th house. But this is a person who you see is really living their life and going with the flow. They seem to have a pretty gentle and soothing energy right now. And they also have a strong sense of who they are. And they're shifting. You see them shifting right now, where maybe they were afraid to come forward and have this connection with you. Maybe they were afraid to date you. Maybe they were afraid of what people would say about you or about this connection. Maybe they had fears about fully settling down with you or fully committing with you and being faithful to you. Maybe that was their fear. But this person also, what is happening is that these fears that they had about the connection has allowed them to have stronger instincts about survival, if that makes sense. And what this practically means is that the fear of love, or the fear of loving you, has also showed to this person that if I want to love, I have to be stronger. I have to be fit for love. It's like survival of the fittest, right? I can't allow my past and things that I have gone through, like past shame, fears, doubts, guilt. I can't let these things eat me alive and, like just be out here in the streets and let this world take me in, and like misuse me. Or I don't want to fall into that. I don't want to fall into that trap that a lot of people that I know fall into, where they don't really believe in love. I actually want to believe in this, and I actually want to have a long-term relationship. So in order for me to escape the societal gimmicks, I must survive this. I must fight for this and win. I must fight for your heart. So this person really has a totally different outlook on the meaning of love right now, and what it means to be in a real relationship with you, Libra, it means being able to withstand many different conditions. It is like weather, how it changes. It is like the elements, fire, earth, wind, water, where this person has to become different things in order to survive the connection. They can't be one way, bottom line. They can't just be all passionate toward you, but not emotional toward you. They can't have all this passion, want, and desire for you and not open their heart and show you their more vulnerable side either. They can't be so grounded and fixed on how they feel about you without letting the connection just flow and come together naturally. Sometimes a person can be fiercely determined to have someone or be with someone that they want to control the flow. So this is a person who is realizing a lot of things, and they're starting to learn to surrender to God in this and just letting God put this together the way it's supposed to be. And they're learning that they have to be more flexible in this love. So you see this person being more warm now toward you because they feel a sense of protection now about being with you. So how does this person see you? This person sees you something like their personal sanctuary, where you are their peace. You have become their peace. Each day with you, or each day loving you, is sacred to them, even if you are at a distance from them. It's a moments with you that they need. They went from wanting you or liking you to needing you. They have to know how you feel. They have to connect to you. You're their escape from their reality of this harsh, I keep getting harsh world. It's a harsh world, and it's a cruel world that we live in. And this person just needs you to be that sanctuary for them. A person that they can talk to. A person that they can confide in all the time. They feel like you're pure in spirit toward them. Even if you're not pure to anyone else. At least to them, to this love interest, that's how they see it. This person feels like, no matter what you look like on the outside, or no matter who people think that you are, they know who you are on a soul level. And it's something about you being able to consult with them, talk to them. You soothe them with your energy because you are able to not just listen, but you teach them things. This is a person who needed someone to open the mysteries of life. You enlighten them or inspire them with the words of wisdom that you drop onto this person when you're talking to them about different things. So if you are really spiritual, then you should be a person who meditates, prays, and you love the calm and stillness of the day. They absolutely love this about you. This side of you makes them want to marry you, stay with you, be with you, fully commit, because when they realize that nothing in this world is real but love, this person runs to you. They run to you because they feel like their things are really aligned. So when they come into union with you, they feel aligned. They feel like this is what they're supposed to do, supposed to be. It's like home is where the heart is, right? You're their home. You're their safety. You're their peace. And they love running to you. So that's what I have here for you and your love interests. Go deeper, guys. Get the extended. There's more. God bless.